Hello, Assalaam Alaikum. It's me, Sabeena, with my 6 items challenge. 2020, with label behind the label. I have spent the last 3 weeks in and out of hospital, and I'm recording, this is week 4, and I'm recording this video because I've just returned from surgery and I'm wearing yellow. You can see my blue scarf, but I'm wearing yellow for Endometriosis Awareness Month. March is the month where we raise awareness for endometriosis, and as a survivor of endometriosis and PCOS, I thought it would be interesting to talk about my endometriosis and PCOS journey. Thanks for watching and bearing with me. I was finally diagnosed with endometriosis and PCOS when I was 29. I collapsed during my PGCE, had surgery that year, and the gynecologist, a wonderful lady called Miss Sian Kerslake at Northwick Park Hospital in London, told me that I had endometriosis and PCOS. And I was relieved, at least I knew what was wrong with me, instead of having all these horrible, excruciating episodes. So that was my first surgery in 2004. In 2008, I had another surgery in Dubai, and 2 weeks ago, not just over 2 weeks ago, on the 13th of March, I was admitted to hospital. I was in agony, and after a CT scan, the doctors said that surgery was my best option. So on the 17th of March, I had surgery, and the gynecologist surgeon discovered that I had a cyst which had burst. So he told me that my cyst had welded itself to my colon and my left ovary. It's been just over 2 weeks since my surgery. I'm still very sore. My symptoms as a teenager were awful. Migraines, endobelly, that means the bloatedness that you feel, a heaviness on your stomach and colon. Very, very painful periods. And believe you me, in the Asian, Pakistani, Indian community, you don't talk about periods, you don't talk about menstruation. So I don't think I never had a conversation with my mum about PCOS, about menstruation. I just want to end this very long monologue by saying, if you know somebody who has endometriosis and PCOS, please, please, please give them a lot of TLC, kind words, and most of all, give them a lot of support, whether that be morally or emotionally. We do find it difficult to get around. We may change our plans a lot because of our fatigue. Endometriosis does cause a lot of fatigue. If you are cooking and your friend is near to you, it would be wonderful if you could drop off some food for them. If you're shopping, call them and ask them if they need anything. If they have any hospital appointments, ask them if they'd be happy for you to go along with them. Above all, anything else, endometriosis and PCOS survivors, we are very, very proud people. We don't mean to be proud, but we're very independent. We don't like asking for help. But if you know one of your relatives or friends has endo and PCOS, please, please, please call up, check on them, ask how they are, if they need any help. Simple things like cooking, cleaning, ironing, shopping, it's a huge deal. It takes a lot of effort and stamina for us to get out of bed, to shower, to get ready, to go out. We often change our plans because we just don't have the energy to do anything. All we want to do is rest and sleep and heal. So please don't be offended if one of your endo or PCOS friends decides they can't get involved in any of your activities. It's not because they don't want to, it's because they don't have the energy to do it. Thank you so much for watching. I know I have waffled on a great deal, but I hope that you have learned something, and I will be posting my tips and my endo basket. There's a basket that I have every month where I have all my comforts, and that does include Fairtrade chocolate. If you would like to learn more about endometriosis and PCOS, I will post links in my blog. But thank you so much for watching and giving me the opportunity to talk about my endo and PCOS journey. Thank you so much to my family and friends around the world who have sent me get well messages. I'm okay, I'm healing, I need to go and rest now. But thank you so much for your concern, your love. I miss you all. Please take care during this time, and I hope to record another video very soon. Love you all. Bye for now. Walaikum Assalam.